You gotta demand for respect before respect demands you.
Respect demands you. What does it mean?
Who's wearing the Sunny outfit? Wait a minute.
No, he died though.
Oh, he died. That means you're telling me we got Sunny death scene with his new costume. This is worse.
Nah, they wouldn't want you to be that shit.
Hey, make money moves. I'm right beside Anna.
Your blood scene might be different. This might be a beast.
Wait, I just card canceled. Kinda crazy.
Character. What are you talking about?
I just card canceled in Texas Chainsaw. I'm like that for real, for real. Kinda filthy.
Blood playing too much fighting games.
Not even.
Fuck you, nigga. My bad. I did not make to say it like that.
Yeah, that was just racist.
I feel it, like, shit, I feel like...
You have a hitchhiker? They don't. I don't really need a bone charm. What I would want is more lockpicks because the cook.
Now, Little Face is following me, by the way, so don't worry too much.
I need to get my proficiency up. I'm gonna like put a bunch of proficiency points into Julie and have her like also stealthy on the side too. I want to see what happens. I'm not gonna open the door yet because I figured that's not the smartest thing to do right now. But I could. The door is open. Or unlocked, I should say.
Yeah. I juke Little Face. I'm not like that. Oh shit!
I'm running.
It's all right, Grandpa.
Little Face on you?
He will be after I do. Oh!
You good? You died?
We're good.
Going to change you. That should suck, by the way. I don't know. Do you know they were in middle school?
Looks like Leatherface is staying on this side. You can stay here, I don't care.
Oh shit.
I prefer him on this side.
Oh, he's in the basement, by the way.
Of course he's in the basement. The only door I open.
Who's that? Nigga, shut up. Oh my god, I'm becoming like you. What are they talking about?
Why do they sound like the actual characters though?
I'm telling you.
Like it sounds like they're the survivors.
They think the RP
Like
want to be seriously, yeah.
parasocial Texas Chainsaw players, huh?
Should I go upstairs or shit? Okay, no, I'm going to go upstairs. Go.
Really, dude.
Ready? I mean, not already, but yeah, it's How do you disconnect it? You were supposed to be with your friend. You just started to work on that. Is it what level is it?
I see Sissy.
Is it level 1 level 2?
Should be level 1.
Do you want them downstairs? I can just attract them if you want.
I'm good, man. I appreciate it though.
Okay. I'm just gonna move them. Oh! Nigga, you're talking about level 1. They found you?
Yep, they found me. And by that I mean cook. Oh my god!
Did you die?
Yep. Bro, wow. Are you on comms? Oh, just... Bro, the way how the Leatherface is moving, you'd think all of them are in comms with each other. Whatever, it's just you and Anna right now. Yo, I'm playing like such a dick in a bag.
Never heard that expression before.
Yeah. Pretty good one, man. That's a pretty good expression. Because it makes sense. Like, how do you imagine a dick in a bag would play? Pretty shitty, right?
I'll just think it is
Pretty sus.
What? Why do you think everything I say is sus?
I don't know, man. You just be on sus timing.
Sometimes.
Most times.
The clip is just there. Oh, I see the other one way much.
This it. Yep. Anna, turn off the light behind you. Thank you.
Oh shit! Double lock. I hate this shit.
Yo, I'm playing so. What was my first mistake there? Besides being born, of course.
Oh, that's alright.
I'm playing. Bro, what? God damn. How did the cook is racist?
He's. You feel he saw me?
Wait, let me see your POV real quick. Oh shit.
No, he saw me.
Going back downstairs is ballsy.
I mean, I have no choice.
I don't know. I think you should have just took in the chase a little bit because Anna was right next to you. Oh wow, the cook is just posted. Okay.
No,
unless he's just listening. I don't know. He's not doing his like little things, so he's just like standing.
When you destroy one of Cook log pad, is it restoring it or you lost it forever?
But I mean, no, you destroy it. You can't pick it up.
It doesn't gain it. It doesn't gain it back.
Nah.
Oh, this is cool.
That'd be kind of massive if you could just put it back on the pad. This Anna needs to make some moves. She had a lot of opportunities to make moves, and she hasn't taken not a single one. And I'm kind of mad.
The only one taking moves.
And this Tomash Mello guy, he also needs to make moves too, cause he's still in the basement, and we're a couple minutes into the game.
I just went to the basement. I'm fine a lot too. Yo, doesn't he have another stabby?
Oh shit, Leatherface is going downstairs.
I double dare him.
He might be though. He's going to the barn that has the stairs that literally like right in the middle of the thing. So there's a chance he's running up on your ass as we speak.
Should I stop Grandpa?
Yeah. Oh! Fuck! I told you. Okay, yo. Stab that motherfucker! Oh. GG's.
This is so unfortunate.
You had full HP. Wait, you had full HP?
Yep.
This game sucks.
No, because I was fighting a Cook.
I know
it was a mistake.
I know you were fighting Cook, but that shouldn't insta-kill you.
I'm telling you, that's just bust. But, okay, I want to stop Grandpa. But I pressed the button, you feel me?
Yeah.
But instead of stabbing Grandpa, I was fighting for Cook. So I got hold. And the advantage.
Why would she? Oh, she needs to get a bone. That's why she went back.
No, because she's opened the.
She got hold. She got hold. Oh,
yes, go for it. Yo, I could just stay there and wait, but no, I had to play goofy.
Can't lie. Meanwhile, you're dying. I wasn't even paying attention to her, so I didn't even notice that she did that. W's on her, man. That'd be shit, bro. It's good to see a single good player. Let's go, y'all. I'm ready.
Kebab is my favorite. Okay,
Alright, let's
now I'm
go.
a King Weed. Shut the fuck up.
I'm ready, bruh. I've done nothing but lose today, bruh.
This is Joey. I haven't won a single time. I mean, I almost won 2 times.
Okay, you keep mentioning up the almost wins, but you keep losing.
I mean,
Do you have a Coke?
if you add the team,
No. Okay, I can make all the noise I can. Well, not in the beginning at least, but...
no, not the team.
Hey, trust and believe, I'm not the one who be summoning Grandpa.
This is super embarrassing. I don't want to take a chase. Please don't go, please don't go.
Come on, let's go. Hey, hey, hey.
Do you have motions?
I'm opening the shed basement.
Shit, that other place has motions, you know.
I don't hear a chainsaw.
I hear it.
Okay, here again, closer. Okay, the door is open.
Oh shit!
Oh my god! No!
Are you dying?
No, I didn't want to do that.
Do what? Girl, what's happening? Is that... What's happening? What are you doing? Please tell me you didn't sold.
I did not sell. I almost did though. That was like the worst segment of life. That was such a bad segment for me. Holy. Run, y'all.
I see Grandpa.
Okay, well, this game sucks, dude. I'm getting old. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. But everyone's upstairs right now.
Yeah, yeah.
We all went up, and Hitchhiker was right next to y'all, but then he found me, so of course, you know. Yeah, you know how it be. Just level 1 though, so we're cooling.
Yeah, if it was level 12, it's bad.
This is good.
I have no issues with... I might need to mute these motherfuckers, I can't even lie. Hey, keep talking.
This will be useful.
You sound so young.
You sound like Khan, which is the exact opposite of young.
You right.
Wow, you're telling me.
That was you?
Yeah.
I'm fighting him. Please tell me no one is... How is he winning that? He's not, that's what I thought. They told me I'm not taking the chance. Welcome, by the way.
Oh yeah, you clutched, thank you.
I had to save the homies. Yeah, be careful for next time. But I tracker was camping that toolbox, by the way.
Can't lie. This hitchhiker can die in a hole. He found me. Holy. That is so annoying, bro.
Don't tell me you're dying.
I'm not dead.
Oh, okay. Ooh, someone's getting a stabby.
One of our teammates is getting stabby.
No, the grandpa.
Okay, thank you. I was about to say, like, why are we cheering the death of our teammates? We need them. We need these motherfuckers, bro. I currently have no motion. Like, it might look like I have disguised motion.
Shit. Johnny in the basement.
Of course.
Like, why are you in the basement? You Johnny.
Very true. Why is he? Weird guy.
Ooh.
What level is Grandpa?
2, I think.
Okay.
A lockpick?
I need to get myself upstairs. I have no HP though.
I'm gonna stab him. Oh, everyone in their mama feeling grandpa. Oh, King Weed make some move. You should look.
These motherfuckers bitching.
Oh, the game is bugging.
Is it actually? Are you fucking serious? This hitchhiker, every time I do something, this hitchhiker is next.
No, not Johnny.
Oh! Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you! Every time I do something, bruh. I went upstairs 3 times. Guess who stopped me every single time?
Hitchhiker?
And it's not like a trap or anything. He just knows where I am.
Who are these people?
He just knows.
Don't tell me you found him again.
Wait, what did you say?
You found you again?
I'm dead.
Oh shit.
Got me for the last time.
That one hitchhiker versus you.
Also, Thomas, what are you doing? Why are you running in the whatever?
Because Johnny.
That boy trying to crash. Ew. That boy got no items right now. This is a.
Girl, you know what's coming.
Okay, this Sunny. Yo, Connie has motion, but she's scared. I understand Leatherface is near her, but Leatherface once again is the most easy character to juke.
She just did downstairs with the line.
Oh, she should go now. Why is this Connie moving so scared?
Oh, it cannot. Oh, this is smart.
Oh shit.
Ooh,
damn.
Let me find out he's OP.
Never mind, he's ass.
No,
Why is this
right.
Connie not doing anything?
Connie, have motions, please.
Connie, what are you doing?
Don't be scared.
Oh, they're all okay. Bro, your ass. Holy shit. He could have done this already.
I'm telling
You have to take the risk, and then she.
Why is this? Okay.
GG's, bro. GG's, bro. Yeah, GG's, bro. GG's, bro. GG's. Hey, good games though. Might as well turn this off. Can't lie, because this is GG's. Fun game though.
Fun game.
GG's.
Oh, they just disconnected.
Of course it did.
This is. Wait, why is it from the game? If you don't. Hey.
He actually just disconnected. I mean, fuck, man. That was just a terrible performance. He had all the time in the world to make moves. So even Sonny was juking, bro, for like a nice 20 seconds. 20 seconds, you could have got the car battery done. At least mostly done. And you're playing Kanye, and I've seen that he actually, I'm not really too sure. But if you're playing Kanye and you have your perk, I mean, that was literally eat season. That was eat season. He was scared.
That's what I'm saying, like, please.
He was scared, man. Oh, shit.
Girl?
Oh my god, are you serious?
Oh my fucking god. Okay, upside. Okay, let's see what.
Did the victim noise wake? Wait. Oh yeah, she's dead.
No, he died.
Oh damn, you remember when he said I was gonna get you? He just got her. Wow. That was pretty pathetic.
I will never get it by this man. He's so upset.
Oh! He got me.
No, I'm not gonna give up, man. Anyone else, please.
Yo, what the? I was greedy. Oh my god, are you serious? Yo, Leatherface is fast. Don't get that shit misled, bruh. That's a fast fucker. Yo, Thomas, he about to kill you, bruh.
What do we have here?
Nah, I'm not like you.
Y'all need to get upstairs, because right now, it's not even about survival.
I'm upstairs. Get on my face, bitch.
Drop that nigga.
He really thought.
You got juked. Keep moving, Thomas. Why are you so scared? Move!
No, he's just okay. I'm not gonna be that other bitch.
I'm tired of dying, y'all. Like, genuinely, this has to be the worst performance I've ever put on.
You're an entire personality, you know.
This person, bitches leave, is actually in a locker right now. This is hilarious. Thomas, oh shit, yeah, he would have started from the beginning and worked his way to the end. Get out of this area as fast as you can. There's a bird thing here, so chill.
No,
What? What?
What?
How did you not alert the bird?
I was sneaky.
You ran.
Past the bird.
Okay. Okay, the Anna's upstairs finally. You and her are both upstairs.
Finally. Oh, we just two of us?
Yeah.
Two of us.
Because,
Someone died.
racially motivation happens. Just the blue of us. Just the blue of us. Okay, come on. Let's go. Okay, Thomas making money moves.
Track was gone.
You need to hurry up. Oh,
shit.
You gotta make moves. GG.
Oh yeah, you know.
I don't know why you didn't go to the...
Oh shit.
Damn. At this point, Thomas, you prolonging the inevitable. Let's see. Oh, hold up, y'all. Can Thomas actually win this by himself? Let's go. There's no way he actually lost you.
I'm that good. Punk, that good.
GG. Or right above your head. So Thomas, what's the plan now? You don't have a pitch. I was gonna say pitchfork. You don't have a. Oh, a lockpick. You could stab Grandpa. Oh, there goes Leatherface, Thomas.
No, I'm not this guy. Not
The
this guy.
end is here, man. The end is here.
Not there.
You hear the revving of the chainsaw? You're about to hear the pearly gates in a little bit.
Is this over?
I can't lie, y'all. Thomas' heart beating right now.
I am. Hello?
He's do. Why the fuck am I saying? Why am I saying? Okay. Oh, whoa, what?
Nah, not
GG.
you, nigga. Not you, nigga. Nah.
It was fun. It was fun.
They're gone. I think.
It was fun.
Everyone except you, nigga. Sure. No.
It was fun. It was fun. He's on the other side. It was fun. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah. Not in your face. Not in food. Just don't want that bum ass, creepy ass, look at the fucking.
Anyone but the Leatherface.
Yeah, what you saying?
Who was the other teammate? Oh, it was Johnny. Yeah. Yo, we've been playing like donkey shit this whole time.
Who we?
Yeah, we. Have you won?